Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to the Hustle Garage channel. Welcome back to a new video. I am finally doing something with the front of my car. So I'm going to be installing, painting my new front lip, which I'll hopefully get done today because I do have a photo shoot on for tomorrow. Before we do actually start the video, just go ahead and do me a favor and smash that like and subscribe button down there. Anyways, moving on. The front lip that I got is kind of like a Sunline rep, I guess. Comes in like an ABS plastic that's like unprimed, untouched, it's just raw. The ABS plastic is just very smooth and it'll be really hard for paint to actually get stuck on. So in terms of prep work, I'll show you what I'm going to do and the things that I got and that I got told. Let's get on to the front lip. The first thing I will do is drill the holes that I need to make the front lip actually stick onto the bumper properly. You're probably going to need two people just because it's easier to have one person hold one side and the other one holds the other side. It looks really nice. I'm not gonna make you guys wait to see what it looks like because that's very annoying. I only ended up drilling 2 holes on each side. It's on really good. She ain't going anywhere. With all these here, I'm just gonna put some tape just so it sticks on. So I got some soapy water, some Scotch-Brite and some tack cloth. The first thing that I will do, that I got advised to do, is put the bumper in the sun. I'll just put it in the sun for about 10 minutes. We'll come back and then we'll actually start prepping and everything. So hopefully it worked. I have no clue how to tell if it worked. And now I'm just gonna wash it down with some soapy water. Just get it all nice and clean. The next step is to get some grey Scotch-Brite and scuff the front lip. We're doing this just because the ABS plastic is very smooth. In order for paint to stick, I have to scuff it up and make some abrasions in it. It's already hazing and stuff like that, so that's good because you can see that it actually is making abrasions. Alright, so when you're finished with the Scotch-Brite, grab your tack cloth. It'll just get all the particles that you scratch off with the Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna do a black middle with everything else red. Mask everything off and then we are on to painting. So I probably spent like half an hour to like 45 minutes on like just masking. Even though it's a little spot, these lines here, I had to be very precise on how I was gonna do the line just because of my OCD, and if it's not straight, it's just gonna bug me. I know it won't be perfect, I know it won't be as great as the professionals, and I think I'm happy with it. Now I'm just gonna set up kind of like a booth type thing, and then we could go ahead and prime. Spray booth is pretty much done. Now it's on to paint. I'll probably just time lapse all the paint because it's gonna take a couple hours. I'm gonna start with this plastic primer that has a adhesion promoter in it. Pretty sure this whole video is gonna be majority time lapse. Let's get on to painting and I'll see you guys when I'm finished painting. But yeah, I'll see you guys then and enjoy the time lapse. finished everything. I did the last coat and the clear coat on. I just did one coat of clear. I did run out of paint. It probably needs another maybe 1 or 2 coats, but I need this done. It is what it is. It's going to let this cure overnight. I'll probably actually redo and repaint, but in the meantime it actually looks pretty nice for what it is. Still turned out pretty nice. As you can see, there is a bit of like orange peel and everything, so I'm going to let the front lip cure overnight for about like 24 hours, put it on the car, screw everything back in, see what it actually looks like. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I chuck this on. All right. It is the next day, cured for about 19-20 hours now. Yeah, it really needs a couple more coats of paint. I will be doing this lip again. Wanted this done just for the photo shoot that's on tonight. I mean, it looks really nice in photos. I'll show you what it looks like in the sun. You guys can see for yourselves what it looks like. Pretty happy with the color match. Yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna unmask the bumper and see what it actually looks like and then chuck it on the car. Just for the sake of this video, I will show you what it looks like without the lip and what it looks like with the lip on. As you can see, the front lip is actually so freaking nice. All I picture with this front lip is just a wide body kit. Just imagine that. The fitment on this is not perfect. I knew that going in because it is a wrap. I was not expecting it to be like perfect. You can see just in this edge, yes, I do have a big scratch here. Battle scars from the track, but yeah, anyways, there's gaps in here, but yeah, overall I'm actually really happy with it. In saying that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it, and if you haven't already, smash that like button and that subscribe button down there. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.